Hey guys, it's Michael, and today I want to talk about Grammarly and give my review of it, and if I think it's something you should download or not. So, I'm sure you guys have heard of it. If you guys haven't, Grammarly is it's kind of like a spell check, but it's everywhere. So, there's Chrome extensions, there's desktop, clients, and this is for the iPad, for the keyboard on the iPad, which is actually really nice. Just go to the App Store and then do a search for Grammarly, like that. I'm going to click it. And obviously I already have it installed on my iPad, but you would click right there to download it. And it's actually really nice. So it's a keyboard. So on apps like Twitter, like emails, like LinkedIn, it's definitely going to come in handy. So let me show you how this works. Just open up Twitter there and take a look at it. Say I was going to write a tweet and I would say, "What's up, Twitter fam?" And it's going to say, "What's up to Twitter fam?" So obviously it's not going to recognize, slang or jargon or anything like that. But let's say if it's something more like, "Follow me on Twitter for updates." It's gonna catch it. It's gonna say, "Oh look, you typed 4 twice." So you can go click this, and it'll automatically remove it, which is actually really nice. You don't have to go there and try to put the cursor and get it just right. You can just use that little taskbar right above the keyboard, and it's actually really nice. And they have emojis. You can still use all those, so that's really cool. Other than that, it's pretty nice. Obviously it's going to catch other grammar errors, like spell check. So if I try to type, let's say, HALLO, or if I typed HRLLO, I just try and type hello, it'll automatically fix it, which is actually really nice. And then you can do something like, "Hello, my name is Michael, and this is my review of Grammarly for the iPad." And then it even got, right there, I wasn't even trying to do this, but I kind of got the iPad. So just click on check spelling iPad, and it'll change it. So that's pretty much it. It works on pretty much every app I've tested so far. Only thing is when you do, let's say you do have like an external keyboard, like a Bluetooth keyboard, you turn on. Let's see. Obviously it goes away, and now Grammarly doesn't work. But it is really nice for when you do type using the on-screen keyboard, which I think a lot of people that use iPad, especially the 12.9, they will, just because it is quite nice. And then you can let's see it's going to catch all the different errors that were there, and it probably knows I meant to put all those W's, I'm assuming, so it's probably not going to catch that. Let's see. It appears you're missing a punctuation mark. Hello. There we go. So yeah, I definitely recommend downloading it, trying it. It can only make your sentences and your structure better. And let's say for some reason you don't want to use it for like a certain application, just click here on this emoji. Hold down. Actually, it's gonna be, which one's gonna be? No, it's not gonna be that one. Let's see, which one's it? Okay, so hold down on this globe looking thing, and then click on English US, and it'll put you right back to the original iPad one. So there you have it. If you like this video, found it helpful, please subscribe, and I'll bring more tips in the future. Thanks, guys.